let a1, a2 up to an be n positive consecutive terms of an AP, and d is a common difference and d is greater than 0, then what is the limit n tends to infinity of the expression given there? Okay. So first thing is simplify the expression. There is a surd, right? 1 by square root of a1 plus square root of a2. You see a surd there, correct? So first to simplify the expression. You have this surd. Okay. So whenever we see the surd, what we will do? Conjugate, we will multiply, divide, right? Our numerator and denominator we multiply with the conjugate. That is square root of a2 minus square root of a1, and then denominator will become a2 minus a1, correct? So similarly each term will become uh, difference of square roots in the numerator, okay, and difference of the consecutive terms in the denominator. Okay, so we know that this is the d, okay, all the denominators are d. So I am left with the square root of differences of the consecutive numbers in the numerator, okay, and d, and if I sum up all these things, I am left with only square root of an minus square root of a1. This is my simplification of this expression. So my limit is very simple now, correct? So given limit is nothing but square root of limit n tends to infinity, square root of d by n into square root of an minus square root of a1 divided by d. An also I can expand it. An is nothing but a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So I'll write it in this way. Okay. Now if I cancel the d, I can cancel. Okay. D in the denominator here and d I can cancel. I am left with only this expression divided by n in the square root, correct? Okay, so I just take n because it is n tends to infinity, right? So I can write this as, okay, I can write, sorry, this is the d, this is square root of d, so I am left with square root of d in the denominator, okay, and I will write this as square root of a1 by n plus d minus, because n gets cancelled, d minus d by n, okay, minus square root of a1 by n. Okay, now we know that n is tending to infinity, so 1 by n tends to 0. So all these terms are 0, 0 and 0. I am left with only square root of d by square root of d, which is 1. That is the answer. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.